Hey, did you hear about the panda who walked into a restaurant? Yeah, he sat down, ordered some bamboo, and said, I'm just gonna eat, shoot, and leave. Classic panda humor, right? But let me tell you, pandas are more than just funny. They're fascinating creatures. Did you know that pandas spend up to 14 hours a day munching on bamboo? Talk about a healthy appetite. And despite their hefty size, they're surprisingly agile and playful. They love rolling around, climbing trees, and even somersaulting down hills. They're basically the gymnasts of the animal kingdom. But here's where things get interesting. Pandas have a sixth finger, or thumb, if you will, which helps them grip bamboo with ease. It's like having built-in chopsticks. And get this, they have a super sense of smell, which helps them locate their favorite food from miles away. Talk about a nose for bamboo. Now, as much as we love these adorable creatures, there's a serious side to their story. Pandas are endangered and their habitat is rapidly disappearing. That's why panda conservation is so important. These gentle giants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. By spreading seeds and helping forests grow, they're like the gardeners of the wild. So let's protect these lovable pandas and their home. Together, we can ensure their survival and preserve the beauty of our planet. Because as cute as they are, pandas are more than just a symbol of conservation. They're a reminder that every creature, big or small, deserves our love and protection. So let's stand together and be the voice for these incredible creatures. Because when it comes to pandas, it's not just about the laughs, it's about securing a future where they can thrive.